What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I got a whole bunch of gadgets, but first one is the special, the most awesome one of today. This is Spyra 3 upgraded. I filmed this few years ago. I think last year they have upgraded, last summer. So there's a 3 different moods now and everything else pretty much the same. There's a button on and off and there's a display. Let's go have fun with it. I apologize for heavy wind today, kind of weird day. Put in the water and fill it up. And it's going up, recharge, you're ready to go, but I can do it till 100. It's set on a leg, so if I press, it goes pretty quick, but 1, 2, 3 and power is out. And now I have to reset before I can go again, or just 1 and it resets, 1, 2, 3 and I can go again. And if I press and hold, it builds it up and I can release it. Wow, power. Let's switch it to burst, and if I press it one time, it sprays 3 layer bursts. And look at the ammo. So water stations have to be set up kind of everywhere. My favorite probably would be on a burst and leak, because burst I can go 3 times, 1 time click and it sprays. On a leak I can go as many times as I want to, or out of power goes, but whenever I press and hold, that's my favorite. And then you go big powerful spray. Also you can press or hold to empty it out if you're done with that. So one more time, on open, this is what I like about it. I can go as fast as I can, or hold it, or it's a semi one. So, but it goes quick, and that's why league you have like 1, 2, 3, and then you have a pass, have to power up. So it's kind of more fair, and then also you're not running out of water so fast. Oh yeah, you cannot take this thing in the water. So most important, the battery is heavy, it's pretty heavy blaster. So this is going to switch it to burst. It is kind of cool to switch your options. That is quite cool, don't you guys think? And I'm out. So quick, it goes quick. I guess next improvement they could do is maybe have some kind of backpack water holder and attach it to it so you can refill it additional while you, like, you know, hiding away. You don't have a bucket to go to, but you know, it would be different play. But yeah, super cool. I really like also burst right here. Not burst but leak, but you press and hold, it's gonna build up, and look how powerful it's going to be. I think the view will be good right here. That is so nice. Okay, pay attention to this grill. Barely can get it. And now if I hold it and build it up, I think I'm gonna be able to get it over it. Or like it would spray it so much more. Let's see. And then single, just less water too. Kind of same distance, a little bit extra distance. Yeah, but more water space. I got it here, probably the coolest pen. It is super satisfying. Every time I wanna flip it open, it does this. I can go fast or slow. Let's see how it goes slow. Boom. Need to get your mind off of things. It'll keep you busy. I love it. Next I got right here EDC bit driver and a wrench. Check this out. Pretty flimsy, but it'll do the job. If you need to adjust a bike, you can do this. I think it's on the maximum. There you go. Very flimsy, but I thought it's cool. Made up out of titanium, so it's lightweight, and then I can just put it away. It's a keychain size. Let's pull this out. Goes in here. I have a screwdriver, and there's 2 of them. A bit flimsy. I wish it would be not rattling so much. Next I got right here titanium carabiner with pretty unique feature. There's a button, push it open and unlock it, and then push it to lock it back up. I can even push it this way and lock it and unlock it. This is so cool. I got it here upgraded money clip. There's a tension in here and they are double tension. So let's put some money in it. So you have right here double tension. So if you have few bills, it will hold tight. If you have a lot of bills, it will hold tight. Wow, it is quite tight. It will loosen it up. It's titanium though. And if you have only like few bucks and you know, maybe you'll feel it later, it's no big deal, and it will still hold really tight. Or this way. Boom. Here's 3 keychain flashlights under $10. They're like $9.99, some of them on sale, but moral of the story, they are right under $10. So let's see what they're all about. They're all about same size. This is a lumen type. It comes with one of these like lantern thing that is unique addition to it. But yeah, this EDC01. Okay, how does this work and what kind of batteries is good? Usually take AAA batteries. So let's pop one in. And all I have to do is just twist it and it's on. And there's a lanyard or keychain. 1, 2, 3. So 3 different modes by spinning it. Very nice. We'll compare the size and everything like that to all this. Okay, this one is actually a bit smaller, so it is already better. For keychain size, the size matters a lot. So let's see, pop it in. Nice, perfect fit. Oh, it doesn't have the moods, that's why it's smaller, but it's nice. Maybe you want to just have it brightest always. 100 lumens, 5, 32 and 120 lumen. So a little bit brighter or lower. The Olight has the best packaging. It's so easy to take it out. This one is a 90 lumens, but this one is the smallest. How cool is that? And wait a minute. It comes with the battery already. Wow. So they are even cheaper. They give you the battery for $9. 90 lumens, no options of light. So 10 lumens less, but look at that size. A little bit thinner and 10 lumens less, but it is much smaller. And this one just have different lumens, so you don't have to be as bright. So in a sense, it's kind of best for that reason, but overall the size kind of the same. Olight is the smallest, 90 lumens, 100 lumens, a little bit bigger, and 3 different settings. So depends what you want, you can pick it out. I think they're all pretty awesome.